The question is given by Miss Natasha.
Okay, Stanley. What do you expect to gain by participating in the search for Mr. and Miss PBS-GMI? I repeat, what do you expect to gain by participating in the search for Mr. PBS-GMI?
I expect that Mr. and Miss PBS-GMI will bring the best out of us. Will bring the best of us to the fullest.
Alright, thank you very much. Carry on. Okay, next. Member of 4LG of 4th year. Palakpakan naman dyan, 4th year. Wala na sa 4th.
Well, Eric, here's your question. If there is one thing you could do to change the world, what would it be? I repeat. If there is one thing you can do to change the world, what would it be?
My answer to that question is world peace. Thank you.
Oh, wow!